So finally, Samsung has rolled out new Home Up official version, and surprisingly, in this official version, Samsung has added one more amazing new feature. And guys, this time, don't worry, I will show you how you can download this. Previously, I show you the leaked version, so that's why I was not allowed to give you the download link. So this time, obviously, I will show you how you can download it, and also I will tell you will it work on our One UI 8.5 or not. Okay, so first of all, obviously, I have this Samsung Galaxy S26 running One UI 9 beta. So let me go to new home up again. I have already updated to the official version which Samsung has rolled out. If I go to more customization, this is obviously the new home up. If I go to home screen and if I scroll down, and if in this favorite section, you will see this new option called favorite background. If you tap on this, obviously this is the new category. Okay, this is a new section. If I tap over here, now what you can do is you can apply a dog background just like a iOS. You can see I have already applied it. So most of the people know about this because yesterday I made a video about it, right? If someone haven't watched yesterday video, so I'm again telling you. And obviously you can choose any other backgrounds. For example, Samsung has already given some background just like this one. You can see the color has been changed. And also guys, you can use your own custom image. For example, if you want to use your photo on this dog background, you can use it. So yeah, this is the one new feature, and obviously you can do adjust the transparency, etc, etc. So this is the one feature. I'm not explaining it too much because I have already made 2 videos about it. This is the first feature which has been added in this new home up plugin. And also one more new feature is in this gesture settings. If I scroll down, here you will see a new settings called multi-finger gesture. So now what you can do is you can do a lot of gestures, okay, from three finger to 4 finger to 5 finger. So for example, if I turn on this 5 finger gesture, this one is pretty easy, the 5 swipe down one. If I select this one, and here you will see a lot of options. These are the action you can do with the gestures. Okay, for example, let me select the screenshot. Now you can see I have for swipe down with 5 finger, I select the screenshot. Now if I swipe down with my 5 finger, you will notice that it will take a screenshot. You can see it took a screenshot. And guys, there is one more option over here. I really like it. There is a glow effect also. If you turn this on, and you can customize the color also. For example, I will select a yellow color. Now if I do a gesture, if I use the gesture, you will notice there in screen there will be a kind of glowing thing. Okay, if notice that. Example, instead of yellow, I want to use pink. Now again, if I do the gesture thing, you notice that the pink color was glowing. And also obviously there are 4 finger, and there is 3 finger, and there are 2 fingers. And I think most of the people will use this 2 finger gesture because it's pretty easy to use 2 finger, right? There is swipe left option. If you do swipe this, you can choose the action. For example, if I do swipe left, and if I want a recent key, I will do swipe. You can see the recent apps will open. Okay, there are a lot of action to choose from. Now swipe right, swipe up, swipe down, pinch in, pinch out, and this is single tap. How we can use this single tap? Let me select some action. For example, let me select YouTube. Okay, now I have to single tap, right? Yeah, so this is how you can use this single tap gesture. So guys, this feature are so amazing. So that dog background thing and also this gesture thing, I already shown you in my yesterday video in that leak APK. Now this is the APK which Samsung has officially rolled out. So in this rollout, Samsung has added one more new feature. It's in Edge panel. If I tap over here and if I scroll down, this is the one Edge panel background. If I turn this on, now you can just like a dog background, you can also customize the background of Edge panel. You can see currently it's white. I can change the color from white to any color I want. Also you can make it blur. You can adjust the transparency, and also you can adjust the round corner also. You can see it. And also, as I told you before, here also you can use your, I think you can use your, you can use your own custom image. If you want to add your own wallpaper on the background of this Edge panel, you can use it. So yeah, this is also a new feature added. Alright guys, I have shown you all the new features which Samsung has added in this newly updated Home Up plugin. Now the question is, can you install this on your One UI 8.5? Yes, you can see this is my Samsung Galaxy S23 Happy running One UI 8.5. The answer is yes and no. Yes, you can install the newly updated Home Up on your One UI 8.5. I have already installed it, and it will show you the features also. Let me go to Home Up plugin, and I have already updated Okay, and also I will give you the download link in the description. You can also download and install it. Yeah, guys, it will show you this feature also. You can see the favorite background. It will show you, but I don't know, it doesn't work. If I apply also, if I turn this feature on also, you can see this is not working. And also if I go to gesture settings, it will, if I scroll down, it will show you that newly added feature, which is multi-finger gesture. If I tap on it and go inside, it will show you all the new gestures settings and gesture features, but it will not work. I have tried using the gesture and selecting the action, but it did not work. So here also you will see this newly added feature, which is adds panel background. It also doesn't work. I think it will not work. Yes, it's not working. You can see I'm selecting this color. It's not working. So yeah, you can install it. It will show you all the features, but it's not working. I don't know. It's pretty confusing what Samsung is trying to do here. So guys, if you want to use all this newly added feature of like the dog background, this edge panel background, and also that gesture feature, then I think look, this one tab YouTube is open. So yeah, you have to wait for One UI 9 update, I think. So yeah, you will get this gesture features and this dog background and edge panel background feature with One UI 9 update. Now guys, if you still want this APK, I will give the download link in the description. And also if you have a Samsung Galaxy S26 series and if you are running One UI 9 beta, then you can install it and enjoy it. And also obviously Samsung will roll out One UI 9 beta for more devices like S25 series. I think for S24 series also, that time obviously you can install and use this feature. So you don't have to wait much. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just comment below. Bye, take care. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it.